Taye play.
Numatic, 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 Numatic.
We're going for a long drive to the Numatic Factory. We had to stop 100 times. We finally got to a hotel!
Poor Hetty and Henry.
This is Matt, there's our
No. Where's Taye gone? Where is he? Let's look around the hotel room. Henry. Where's Taye? Hetty. Where's Taye? Where's Taye? In the wardrobe. Hetty, is that where you think Taye is? Whoa! Show us the rest of this room then. What else do we need to see?
Here's the wardrobe. Nice. Fabrics. The sofa. The table. The beds. And there's a rocking chair. Here's a light. And then there's another bed. And then that red light. 2 drinks. Exit. And then above the sofa. TV. Lights. And in here, the bathroom. We've got the shower here. Just like in the olden days.
That is quite an old looking shower.
It doesn't have to go that fast. I love it. There's the toilet. And then here's peekaboo shower. Dinner and pudding. Yum 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 yum.
Good night, Henry. Good night, Hetty. Good night, Taye. Good morning, Taye.
Good morning. We're ready.
Are you excited? 5 minutes away.
Wow. Finally. This is where we got our special visitors. Oh, this.
You can take the pink one and the blue one from up there.
Yeah.
I've got a James bucket.
Oh, she's a Hetty cup.
Oh, yeah,
And then Henry allergy.
oh, yeah, I know.
Dun, 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 dun.
They're basically like.
Oh, and they're so shiny as well. Mine's not shiny. So.
Definitely.
Look, white Henry.
Just the Henry quick. Can we hear that one?
This is Taye. Yeah, let's pick up all that.
Oh, wow. See the little hairs it's been picking up.
Let's push that. Put it back down. That's it. Did you know Chris Duncan invented Henry?
We got.
You found cream of brown, Henry?
Rip it.
Who would have thought?
It collects all the vacuum.
I know.
And then we got.
I know. The things that people have done.
They're super old.
Yeah. Cream and brown Henry.
Make them up there.
It tells you when it was moulded and what mould.
You don't find there's a metal. It's a laser machine. Well, these are like I don't know what these do, but
I know what they are.
They do.
What are they?
You know what? This is where the cable comes out.
The cable comes out. Yeah.
Oh, is that right? Well done.
See, that's why you got Henry process. I just type. The frame comes down, and then you get the motor, and then you have to put the motor to the hook. Do you feel that? Is it moving? So when the head is with the motor, it gets put into the middle, and about 7 screws go from the bottom up. So there's a robot punching through the screws, which is just there. If you come this way, you can see that cabinet. See that screw going up, they punch.
They let me pack it, Henry. Put the hose in. And the floor tool.
What else do you want then?
Small tool.
One of them two.
Switch manual. And the bar.
What we'll do is take it down the over here,
And then they told me I get to take Henry home.
Is that for you? No.
Best ever. Thank you, Becky. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, 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 thank you.